Hello students, we are discussing quantity theory of money, Fisher's equation, Fisher's quantity theory of money, or it's also called cash transaction version of quantity theory of money. So American economist Irving Fisher published his famous book Purchasing Power of Money in the year 1911. So in this book, he gave systematic explanation regarding quantity theory of money. See, in the Fisher's equations, just recall the equation MV is equal to PT. MV, supply of money. PT, demand for money. Supply of money is equal to demand for money according to Irving Fisher. So he used to explain in his equation of exchange the available supply of money in the economy is in a position to purchase whatever goods traded in the economy. So, supply of money is equal to demand for money. What does it mean? According to Irving Fisher, supply of money in the economy is equal to demand for money. It means who used to supply money? No doubt, it's a central bank of the country. Central bank of the country enjoys the monopoly to issue currency notes. So, during a given period of time, whatever goods, whatever money supplied in the economy, they are in a position to buy available goods in the economy. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಶರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ ಅನ್ನುವ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿಯನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಅದು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾನಿಟರಿ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡುವ ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ ನೋಟ್ಗಳೇನಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಟ್ಟು ಹಣದ ಮೊತ್ತ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಆ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲಭ್ಯ ಇರುವ ಸರಕುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಸೇವೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ is in a position to purchase goods and services available in the economy. So, supply of money is equal to demand for money according to Irving Fisher. So, in the last class, we have seen an equation of exchange. What's that equation of exchange? MV is equal to PT. So, supply of money is equal to demand for money according to Irving Fisher. So, in this class, let's pass on to other remaining part, that is Professor Irving Fisher. In order to include, say, you have seen that in economy there is not only currency notes and token coins exist, but there also exists bank money. So, to include bank money, you see, Fisher extended his equation. His equation of exchange was extended, and so it can be written like MV is equal to M dash plus V dash by P. So we can say it can write, let's say, look at that equation. P is equal to MV plus M dash V dash by T. So in order to include bank money, we can say Professor Irving Fisher used to consider PT is equal to MV plus M dash V dash. Okay. So see here that M dash and V dash stands for bank money. M dash stands for bank money. V dash stands for velocity of circulation of bank money during a given period of time. So we have seen the equation like P is equal to MV plus M dash V dash by T. Now we can say that, say, Fisher's equation of exchange can be explained with the help of the diagram. Say, you can observe there is one diagram. Now to explain this Fisher's equation, you say Fisher's quantity theory. So in this diagram, we can say Look here, in the OX axis, whatever we are explaining, Fisher's theory can be easily understood with this theory, with this diagram. You see, um, in OX axis, you see, in OX axis, actually, we are measuring the quantity of money in circulation. Okay, so in Fisher's theory, we have seen that quantity of money includes both currency notes and coins at the same time, bank money also. It's a total supply of money. Okay, this total supply of money can be presented or represented in OX axis. In OY axis, we have seen price level. Okay, here, see, according to Irving Fisher, uh, say in the beginning, say when the total supply of money is OM, supply OM shows the total supply of money in the beginning. When the OM is the supply of money, see, the price level is OP. OP is the price level. Now, Fisher says when supply of money it double, you see, supply of money increases from OM to OM2. What happens to the price level? You see, price level increases from OP to OP2. Right. So when supply of money double, price level also increased from OP to OP2. Now, let us imagine there is further increase in supply of money from OM to OM4. You see, you can observe supply of money in an economy increased from OM2 to OM4. What happens to the price level? Price level also increased from OP2 to OP4. So what it shows? It simply means when supply of money increases, price level also increases. When supply of money doubles, price level also doubles. So it shows the relationship between supply of money as well as price level. So here it is clear that price level, according to Irving Fisher, is not independent. Price level depends upon supply of money. It means when supply of money increases, price level increases. When supply of money increases or doubles, price level also doubles. So it is passive factor according to Irving Fisher. It is represented here. See, you see, we can observe a curve. See here, we are somewhere, you see, P is the function of M. So it means this curve, see the slope of this curve, it shows the positive relationship between these two, supply of money as well as price level. Price is the function of M. You see, price is the function of M. When price increases, when supply of money increases, price level also increases. So that is shows the positive relationship between these two. That is supply of money as well as price level. Very simple diagram, easy to understand Fisher's theory. And next, Irving Fisher explained, even though there is a positive relationship between money supply as well as price level, think about value of money. What happens to the value of money? See, we have seen that there is reciprocal relationship between price level as well as value of money. What happens to the value of money when price level doubles? When price level doubles, it's natural that value of money halved or falls, right? So when price level increases, value of money decreases. See, it can be explained with the help of next diagram. You see, look here in this diagram. Just understand here. In the OX axis, we are measuring quantity of money, total supply of money, or we can say quantity of money in circulation. In OY axis, value of money. See, look here, what we are measuring in OY axis, this stands for value of money. So, when supply of money in the economy, see, in the beginning, let us imagine supply of money is OM. What happens to the value of money? value of money is 1 by P. See, supply of money, when supply of money is OM, value of money is 1 by P. Reciprocal relationship, right? Then when value of money, when the quantity of money double, that is from OM to OM2, look here, the value of money goes down to 1 by P2. See here, 1 by P2. When value of supply of money double, value of money falls to 1 by P2. Again, when supply of money increases, quantity supplied increases to OM2, OM2 to OM4. See here, OM4. Again, there is fall in the value of money from 1 by P2 to 1 by P4. Okay, so when there is continuous increase in the supply of money or quantity of money increased, value of money falls continuously, you see, from 1 by P1, 1 by P2, 1 by P1, 2, 1 by P4. So there is reciprocal relationship we can observe here. When volume of money, or we can say quantity of money or supply of money increases, then supply of money goes on increasing, what happens? Just remember, when supply of money increases, price level increases, value of money falls continuously. Okay. So that is the relationship between quantity of money and value of money that we can observe in this diagram. Very simple diagram. I think you understood this diagram also. Okay. So you must draw this diagram. I'll give this in notes. You must draw this diagram. Understand this. Okay. So see here, what's the relationship between these two? And by P is the function of money here. So along with this, this quantity theory of money developed by Irving Fisher based on certain assumptions. You see, ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಥಿಯರಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಹಲವಾರು ಅದು in order to hold good, they are making certain assumptions. So Fisher's theory is also based on certain assumptions. We can say very simple assumptions. So he believed that price level is a passive factor. It's not an independent factor as such. It is price level depends upon the supply of money. Supply of money decides the price level. And supply of money increases, price level also increases. Right? Supply of money ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗೆ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮನಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ the supply of money in an economy. And next up, there is a constant volume of trade or transactions. It means Professor Irving Fisher believed during a given time, the trade transaction also remains same. We can say in a short period. So I told you, or short period. So maybe 1 month, 6 months, up to 1 year. During this time, the total volume of transactions remains same according to Irving Fisher. And also constant velocity of money. So velocity of supply, we studied that velocity means average number of times the unit of money circulate in an economy. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ Fisher believe that it remains same during a given period of time. And next we can say that is constant relationship between supply of money as well as bank money. ಅದರ ನಡುವೆ ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. And money is the medium of exchange. Money, the modern money economy, money acts as the medium of exchange. So it is used for carry on all transactions. Current transaction is made smoother with the help of money. So Fisher believed that money is a medium of exchange and existence of full employment. Full employment may mean full employment of resources as well as full employment of all labor force can be fully employed. They are getting employment at the existing wage rate according to Irving Fisher. And so all these are the important assumptions on which Professor Irving Fisher developed his theory. So in other words, we can say that these are the factors determining these are the factors on which Fisher's theory is based. And along with this, we can say Fisher's theory, even though popular during that time, during 90s, or you can say during 1911, he developed for a time being. This theory was well known, become popular, but Cambridge economists, okay, they developed cash balance approach or Cambridge equations. So these equations discarded, or they gave up Fisher's equation because it has its own limitations. So the limitations, or we can say criticisms of the Fisher's theory. So criticisms here we can say particularly interdependence of variables. So we can say in the modern world, whenever mention the prices often it's an independent factor. Its price level always independent. It decides it is an important or independent variable which often influences other. So it is always independent variable, and also there are certain variables like m dash. All these are they are interdependent to each other. And again, we can say this theory fails to measure exactly the value of money, and these unrealistic assumptions. See, whenever he made certain assumption, there are certain it's not applicable in real world. Uh, and Professor Keynes, well-known modern economist, consider the existence of full employment is highly impossible. Professor Keynes said, so existence of underemployment situation is very common. So this is also Fisher's theory, since it's based on full employment assumption, is not acceptable by the other economists, and we can say is somewhat one-sided theory. In order to develop in the modern world, because we can say that cash balance approach or Cambridge equations are highly popular. So let us discuss Cambridge equations or cash balance approach in the next class. So regarding this, that is Fisher's theory, I'll cover in the form of notes. Hope you understood this theory. Simple. I try to make you understand. So follow the notes I'll give you. So thank you.